final kit review is of the BF-109. It's a 144 scale model by Zvezda, and it says it's a snap fit. It's a little disappointing, but let's have a look inside and see what we have. Actually, there's some pictures here on the back. So it looks like we have some solid parts here. There is our fuselage, we've got our stabilizer, this is going to be wheels up, and here's our wing. Not a lot of detail on this plane. Here's our spinner and our propeller together. Here's the wheels down version. And then we have a stand. There is our pretty solid looking plastic canopy. And then we have our decals. And then our instruction sheet, which can't have too many details because there aren't many parts. And then decals there. So this is actually for a game, but should be easy to put together.